This initial solution will show you how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail. The Gmail Auto Move to Folder feature is called a filter. If a user or team creates filters on their inbox, then the system will move emails automatically according to the rules. This can mean creating a Gmail label. That way, all related messages can be accessed from the same tag, functioning as a folder. To filter emails automatically on Gmail, follow these steps. First of all, open Gmail and go to the search bar at the top. Now, enter the search criteria for the emails you want to filter. For example, you can search for emails from a sender's address with a specific subject line, related keywords, or file types. So I'm going to type in here account and then click on this filter icon and click on create filter. In the create filter window, select what you want Gmail to do, that is using the Gmail Auto Move to Folder feature. Now you can apply a label to move emails automatically. Additionally, you can mark as read, archive, delete, or mark as important. To move in a folder, click on apply the label and you can select any folder from here, but I'm gonna creating a new label, so clicking on new label and giving the label or folder name. And create. Now click on create filter button to save the filter. From now on, any new emails that match the filter criteria will be sorted by the Gmail Auto Move to Folder system you set up. You can create multiple filters to automatically sort different types of emails. Find the folders at the left menu on your inbox. There you will see all sorted messages in the same folder. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.